Hello friends, you may be looking for building a clickbank affiliate marketing blog, and blog is very important traffic source to drive a hot traffic. The traffic is a psyche, so you have to understand the psyche of the traffic. So the traffic that is coming from a blog is very much different than the traffic that we get from the social media. So there is a probability that the traffic that is coming from a blog, we will get high amount of sales than social media. So in this video I will be telling you how you can build your successful affiliate marketing blog for clickbank. Okay, so let's start our video. Okay friends, my name is Ahmad, and I'm an online marketer running different business models online. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button below this video. In this video we are going to learn about the blogging. So blogging is very important for getting super hot traffic in a totally automated way. So the traffic that we get from the blog is totally different from the traffic that we get from social media or some other type of traffic sources, because the traffic that is coming to a blog is the traffic that is already interested in that type of niche, and they're already interested in buying these type of products, but we have to work strategically to sell them our product, whatever we are promoting. So there are a bunch of different methods that you can get a successful blog online. So the number one thing that is a slow process. It's a bit slow process, and what we can do is we can buy our domain, we can buy our hosting, and then what we can do is we can build our own blog on WordPress. The most important thing when we are building blog is that we have to do search engine optimization of that if we want to get the traffic from the blog in an automated way. So the search engine optimization is a very slow process, and it's a very big field. We have to learn it step by step. It's a totally different topic. So it's a slow process, and it will take up to 3 to 6 months to build a blog, and it will still be not as professional as the method that I'm going to tell you, that you can build your quick blog in just a few weeks or a few days according to you. So this is the number one method, that get your own domain, get your own hosting, build your own blog. It's a bit slow process. And the next thing that you can do is you can buy the blog that is already running, and that is already that already have traffic. And what you can do is you can start to promote your products in a strategic way. Okay, so yeah, you can see that this is the travel niche affiliate income, free hosting, free domain setup. They will set up a blog for you. You can find these type of things on eBay, and you can see that this is a completely established clickbank affiliate blog website for horse racing niche. So you can find different type of niches, like this is on health and fitness niche. You can find different type of niches on whatever the niche you have chosen, and you can search the blog accordingly. And what you can do is you can buy a blog that is already in running process, and then you can start to optimize that. You can start optimizing its SEO, and start optimizing its content, because the main thing is content is power. You will get the sales through the content. If you are strong in your niche, let's suppose if you are promoting health and fitness niche, you must you must be having a knowledge of health and fitness. And if you have to write the blogs, you can be able to write a content that will that can convert a cold traffic into a hot traffic, and then you will get the sale. So it's because the selling on clickbank is not about getting traffic, getting thousands of hundred of visitors. You can get the sales even from few hundred visitors if your content is powerful. So the most important thing is content, and the next thing is traffic. So you can find the blog that is already in a running condition, and then you can optimize its content and optimize its search engine optimization. So for blog, you can find the blog on eBay. You can search over there, and you will get some cool blog according to your niche. And what you can do is you can go to empireflippers.com. Here you will also get some running blogs that are already generating some incomes, and people they have their different businesses, and they want to sell some of their business. Like you can get affiliate marketing blog according to the niche that you are promoting on clickbank, and then you can optimize that blog according to you. That will also be generating some automated earning itself. So you can find some blogs on some websites on empireflipper.com, and this is one of the expensive website. So for other things, what you can do is you can go to Pebble. It's a group on Facebook, and you can also join this group, and you will be looking some cool blogs or some cool websites over here that you can optimize for your clickbank product. Okay, and the next thing is that free market. I like this website because here the blogs and websites are very cheap. Like this is just $250, and this is a bit expensive, but it is generating 3,000 monthly revenue. So that's why this one is a bit expensive one. You can search over here, and you can find some running blog or running website according to your niche, and then you can re-optimize that website. So when you are re-optimizing the website, the search engine optimization is one of the important thing, because the people, they mostly don't consider the small mistakes in their websites that will lead to the lower ranking and lower traffic. Okay, so and next thing that you can do is to save the time is Fiverr. You can go to Fiverr, and you can hire any designer or developer to and you can pay him or her for building a blog for you. So this is a very fast process that you will start your blog, because the main thing is content. The content will be shared by you. So if you have the content, then you can get the blog from these methods that I have told you. And uh, okay, so I'm just revising it. Number one thing is you can have your own blog, and the second is you can get from eBay. You can get some clickbank already optimized for clickbank blogs on eBay, and you can get from Empire Flipper. You can get from Facebook groups. All the thing is about research. The more you dig deep into it, the best thing you will find out. And the next thing is free market. You can go over here and you can search according to your niche. And another platform is Flippa. You can also go to Flippa. It is also one of the best marketplace for getting some blogs that are already in running condition, and there will be some type of blogs that are already generating revenue with some different type of products. You can also dig into those products, and you can optimize them to increase your earnings. And the last thing is that you can go to Fiverr, hire a developer, and that will design a blog for you. Even on Fiverr, you can hire your assistant for search engine optimization. So yeah, and if you want to learn affiliate marketing step by step in a professional way, and you want to build your own affiliate marketing business from scratch, you can find the link in the description, and it's my #1 recommended training for affiliate marketing. And thanks for watching my video. If the information in the video is helpful, give me thumbs up. Any questions, you can comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you.